Bill Goudy checking in. It's a hot one today. They say there's a chance of some severe weather later tonight. Right, well, they're saying after 6 o'clock. And then after midnight, it's supposed to cool down. And I'm looking forward to that. Bud Tate and many others, but I think it was Bud Tate was the last one, wanted to know about my solar panels, my update, what I've learned. And I've learned a lot. I sure have. You know, I started out with a 120 watt solar panel and found that that doesn't hardly even keep up in the wintertime, especially. And I'll tell you what, I got 200 watts of panels now. I just got the Harbor Freight mounted up on aluminum on the top, and they're flat. So when they got the sunrise and sunset, you know, they produce even on cloudy days, but they don't produce at max. I think I can get up to 15 amps according to the instructions, and I haven't checked to see how many amps I'm actually drawing, but it's only from about 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock in my area that I get maximum output for charging and use, you know. And yeah, it does produce. Right now it's putting 13.5 volts out, and that's charging the batteries, and that's awesome. But when I want to use the power overnight, I'm off the batteries. And so I get maximum charge of my batteries from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. And if I don't recuperate, which I don't, well, it depends on how much energy I use. If I have the TV on all night, if I have just everything going, I can go for about 4 days before I have to recharge the batteries, before I start getting a warning on my charge controller that I got low batteries. And I think it starts at 10.5 volts. So if I drop to 10.5 volts, and I just got two Walmart deep cycle batteries, and I've had them in there since 2013, knock on wood, still working good. I have found that it's very important to keep those panels clean. Yes, I use Rain-X, paper towels and Rain-X, and keep those panels as clean as I can. Keep the tree sap off. That helps. It helps immensely. I think it says in the instructions that you'll suffer quite a loss just even in use, just the use of these panels after 6 months. However, I haven't noticed that, and I've had them on over a year now, and you know, it's nice. It's nice. It runs the refrigerator, runs the TV. I got a DVR. I charge everything. I run the scanner. You know, I can run the microwave. I can do lots of stuff. I don't run the air conditioner. It would run the batteries down way too quick. And it would draw everything out. So I don't have cooling through the solar just because I only got 200 watts. And yeah, I'm limited. For those of you that want to know more information about my solar panels, I'll put a link down below of my installation and some questions that I had answered previously. Yeah, I used GE silicone to glue the panels on. Of course, they are bolted and glued down, and that silicone seems to be holding up very, very, very well. I had some viewers say that I should have used butyl rubber, but I'll tell you what, I'm happy so far, and don't see any leak or any any deterioration of the silicone. You might be asking, what's those hoses? What are those? What's that garden hose doing on your roof there, Bill Goudy? Well, that's my solar water heater. I got a video on it as well. And yeah, it works real good as long as the sun's shining. It's like laying a garden hose out in the yard. It's excellent for the shower. I get some odor. I do get some odor. That's a Harbor Freight hose that I got, but I don't know if I got a better quality hose that would work better or not. I just get a vinyl smell from the water, so that's one downside, but as far as working, it works great. It surely does. Yeah, it doesn't work too good in the winter time. I winterize it, but in the summer it works good. Listen, I'm gonna go. You got any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.